Innovation shapes the future. Yuhuan CNC Machine Tool Company Limited. After 2 decades innovation and accumulation, Yuhuan has been pursuing for high-quality CNC technology and sparing no efforts to explore ways to excel. From China's first 580A CNC vertical double service grinder to the honor of being one of China's top 10 enterprises in the machine tool industry, from the rising newcomer in the machine tool industry to the industrial leader repeatedly overcoming the world's technical problems, Yuhuan has been making progress on the path of revitalizing national industry. By adhering to professionalism and entrepreneurial missions. As a national high-tech enterprise, Yuhuan is a national leading high-end equipment manufacturer, mainly engaged in CNC grinders and intelligent equipment manufacturing. Yuhuan boasts of modern production workshops with 4 CNC machine production lines that are overall advanced throughout the industry. The company's machine production and output are almost 100% CNC. The company's comprehensive strength ranks top in China's CNC grinder industry and successively gained honors such as China's Outstanding Enterprise in Machinery Industry, China's most influential brand enterprise in machinery industry, one of China's top 10 enterprises in machine tool industry, winner of China's Centennial Achievement Award in internal combustion engine industry, major implementing enterprise of National Torch Plan, and National Science and Technology Support Program, etc.